This is also a media playback server, S4F. We categorize it as a project-oriented server. This server is specifically designed as 16,000 ultra-high resolution, a point-top rendering server with graphics work stable. Hardware configuration 35.38 million. For pixel-level video playback requirements, most important, here is this server's hardware configuration. The CPU used is Intel Xeon W3235. 12 cores, 24 threads. Base clock up to 3.3 GHz with high turbo frequency. For memory, it is configured with 64 GB DDR4, equipped with a 2 TB SSD. It uses 2 GPUs, and a 4000 16 GB discrete GPU, and a 4000 4 GB control GPU. With a GPU water cooling system. Let's take a look at its hardware configuration. First, the front panel of the server. On the front panel, 2 USB 3.0 ports, a temperature-controlled display. It can display the server status in real time. If there's an anomaly, it will issue an alert. Here is a front-mounted drive bay. It can accommodate 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch hard drives. Now let's look at the rear interfaces. On the rear panel, let me show you clearly. Here we have an IPMI port, a COM port, and an independent HDMI 2.0 output port. This output does not occupy any rendering channels. And here is an audio input port and an audio port. We've also reserved 4 USB 3.0 ports and 2 RJ45 network ports. One is 1 GB, the other is 2.5 GB. 4-channel DP 1.4 signal output ports. Supports customizable resolution output and edit lock screen functionality. These 4 output channels can be duplicated or extended and can simultaneously support 4 channels of 400120Fs display output requirements. This server is paired with our in-use developed vmeet E3 media broadcast control system, providing traditional multi-screen splicing processor, a signal processing capability, supports independent multi-screen output or multi-screen spliced output, supports H.264, H.265, and HAP video encoding formats, supports panoramic cameras and panoramic video broadcasting, supports 3D model import and 3D scene simulation preview, supports visual media management, program scheduling, rendering slicing, virtual screen output, split and reassemble functionality, suitable for LED tunnel screens, multi-fold screens, column screens, dome screens, and quick calibration alignment, meeting multi-screen spatial fusion needs, immersive fusion, naked eye 3D, and others. Creative display demands under ultra-high resolution. Different needs. Supports remote centralized operation and maintenance within a LAN, through a browser. To force start the server, shut it down, wake it via network, perform system installation and maintenance, and use remote desktop or direct local operation mode. It also supports integration with third-party centralized control platforms. So if you have similar project requirements, feel free to message me privately.